Hello and welcome back to the eIFUApp tutorial series. In this video, we'll walk you through managing your documents on the eIFUApp platform. Let's dive right in. As you can see, this is the Documents homepage, the central hub for managing all your important files. Here are some key features you can use to efficiently handle your documents. First up, the search field at the top of the screen. Here, you can enter either the file name or document name. Simply hit the lens icon to filter your results. It's a handy way to quickly locate the document you need. Moving down the page, you'll find status filters. These filters allow you to sort documents based on their status, whether they're in draft, in review, published, or rejected. It's a useful tool for organizing and managing your documents effectively. On the right side, you'll notice the Add New button. Clicking this button opens the door to adding fresh documents to your collection. A simple and straightforward way to keep your database up to date. Now, let's focus on the data table. In the last column, you'll find two important actions for each document. The PDF icon allows you to view the document in a new tab, providing a quick preview. The trash container icon, on the other hand, is for removing a document. Clicking it will prompt a confirmation modal to ensure the right documents are being deleted. Lastly, at the bottom of the data table, you'll see the pagination control. This allows you to easily navigate between pages, making it convenient to manage documents across your entire collection. If your license allows business units and the setting is enabled with business units created, you'll notice a new filter. This filter adds another layer of organization to streamline your document management even further. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to efficiently manage your documents on the eIFUApp platform. If you have any questions or need further assistance, our support team is here to help. eIFUApp is a brand of Pangea Holdings. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more eIFUApp tutorials. Have a great day.